is the retention metric calculated?
Typically, what we would see, there's two things that mainly are used for the people I use it with. One is return on or after, which means if I come back on day 4, I will also be counted on day 3, I will also be counted on day 2, and I will also be counted on day 1. So my curve is steeper because it accounts not specifically for the exact day I come back on. It actually accounts for the day that I do not come back anymore. And then you have return on, which is for very specific points in time. Do I come back on the 3rd day, the 4th day, or the 5th day?
But when would you use one or the other?
I think the second one I would use more to understand when exactly the users come back. What's my interval? Do people come back every 4 days? To get that insight, it's every 4 days.
Yeah.
And I want them to actually make them come back every 2 days. Can I get that metric? Can I get that curve differently? More to the start. And the other one is what's my general population that's still addressable after 5 days? That's how I look at it.